This is the wireless home security alarm system, Home8. Unboxing. Now I must warn you, this is a pretty long video because I did the unboxing and also the settings and demonstrate the video footage. So first thing we see in the box is the quick start guide. And there's some more paper and on devices that you can purchase separately. And here's a referral code. Includes a warning sticker. So I'm just going to cut the first box, and I believe this is where the modem is located from the picture. Sorry for the delay. Had to go get some scissors. So here we have the modem. And there's all the different lights. There's the power at the very bottom, the LAN, and a USB on top. Some furniture protection. There's the LAN cable. Pretty much the power cable or USB cable. And we here have the power adapter. You connect the USB cable to the outlet. in this box, the camera should be in here and the 2 window sensors. Here are the 2 window sensors. Another USB cable, and the camera. The back is the USB port. The bottom has furniture protection. Here we have a battery and some more of the accessories for the sensors. And lastly, the power adapter. Here we have the modem connected, and so you can see the lights. So here I'm just going to quickly show how to install the SD card. So you just flip the top open and insert the SD card right here. Here I'm going to go through the parent and settings process, and so I'm just going to quickly go through it. It does take some time, I must say. So first thing you notice is you can arm, disarm, or stay mode. Here you can set a schedule. Here in device management, you can add or delete cameras or other devices. Here we have the home screen. And so you can see the clarity of the picture is amazing. And it's good color. And at the bottom, there's options that you have that you can do with the camera. Camera does have a tendency to kind of lag when you're moving it around. It does have like a 1-2 second delay, which is quite normal for security cameras. There are a few that don't have delays, or they have them under a second, but for this one, I mean the app and everything else, you kind of pick and choose what you want. You can zoom in. Here I'm just going to go through some of the settings that you can choose for the camera. Now I must say the motion detection setting works extremely well. There is times that it does have a hiccup or doesn't work, but for the most part it works extremely well from what I've seen. So there's where you could install your if you have SD card and playback. I didn't insert SD card, forgot, but so you could put authorized user, or emergency contact, local authority. So on the left, there's a little hamburger menu, and you just pick different settings throughout the menu. Right there, the top left, notifications, and so you could just, play around, pick your preference. Lastly, I'm just going to connect it to Amazon Alexa. Currently, you can't view it like in your spot or show. They are doing the updates, and they will be coming out with it. But currently, all you could do is arm, disarm, or safe mode, or stay home mode. Hope the video was helpful in the purchasing process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.